In this video, I will talk about my experience with the Opalescence whitening system. I will show how I use it. I will insert before and after pictures of my teeth so you can see whether it works or not. I first want to talk about what comes inside the box. So when you open this box, there are different things inside. The first things you see is this blue plastic. These are not mentioned in the instructions, but I assume with these you can form your whitening tray. You put it in hot water, put it on your teeth so it can take the form of your teeth. You cut it and you have the whitening tray where you put the gel inside. From the dentist, I myself got some custom whitening tray. I put the custom whitening tray in this Opalescence box. It comes within this box as well. Furthermore, in the box there is an instruction letter, a shade guide, which I have never used, some envelopes, a whitening toothpaste. I have it in cool mint. I have never used it. I will insert a pic here because I don't know where it is. And then finally, you see in the box the whitening gel, which comes in syringes. So there are 8 syringes inside, filled with the sticky whitening gel. And on top there is another syringe which you put on your gums as a protectant, so the gel doesn't touch your gums because otherwise it will cause some sensitivity. The Opalescence whitening system comes in 2 forms, in 10% concentration and in 16% concentration. I have it here in 16% concentration. Now I will show you how I use it. Naturally, close to the gums, the teeth are darker. Furthermore, the canines here, they are naturally darker as well. So basically, I focused on the canines. There were nights where I have only whitened the canines, and I also focused on the area close to the gums to get them lighter. These were actually the places where I have placed the whitening gel in the whitening tray as well. Because this is a higher concentration gel compared to the 10% one, Opalescence recommends to leave the whitening tray 4 to 6 hours on your teeth. I would usually go to sleep with the tray and wake up in the middle of the night after 6 hours and then remove the tray, brush my teeth to get rid of the excess gel. You can just use a toothbrush. I used also the toothpaste and water and you can remove it easily. The same I would do with the whitening tray. I would take a toothbrush and remove the gel from the tray with water. When I used the whitening gel overnight, the day after actually, my teeth are a little bit sensitive, but it disappears towards the evening. When you don't use the darker solution to cover and protect your gums, the gums turn white and it takes a little longer to recover the gums because you have burned the gums, but it's not too painful, interestingly. Even if you have burned the gums, at least I found it okay. Now I'm showing you my teeth before I started using the Opalescence whitening system. You can see that my canines are quite dark. Now you see my teeth after I have used 3.5 syringes of the whitening gel on my front teeth. You can see, guys, it has visibly whitened my teeth. My dentist said that usually natural teeth don't get as white as you want it to be. So he said veneers are a better solution in that sense. But honestly, I was quite surprised with the results of this whitening gel. A lot of people are scared whether the whitening gel has a long-term negative effect on our teeth health. The last time I have used the whitening gel was 2 months ago. I had used already 3.5 syringes. I assume it must have been 6, 7, 8 times. And 1 month after I have stopped using it, I felt that my teeth got a little bit sensitive. So you know, when the weather outside is cold, it's not like all the teeth I have whitened is sensitive and it is so painful, because toothache can be really painful. But it's not like that. There is a subtle sensitivity. For example, towards the tips of my tooth, like here. The sensitivity was a little more intense and it disappeared over the weeks. My dentist said that the top layer of the teeth is inorganic, so it's basically dead layer and it won't cause much sensitivity, or you cannot destroy the teeth with the whitening system. The tips of my teeth hurt a bit or are sensitive, and I can imagine that there is some wear and tear, and maybe the top layer has worn off towards the tips because there is a contact with the lower tip. So there is no protectant top layer there. Maybe that was the reason why I have this teeth sensitivity. So overall, what is my verdict on this product? It really helps. I'm happy I made it. There is some sensitivity, but it's really not a huge deal. I have 4 syringes to go. I want to pause it and see how the sensitivity goes. When it disappears completely, I definitely want to use it a couple of more times to get the area towards the gums a little lighter. But honestly, guys, I'm very happy now. I mean, I have whiter teeth. The canines got much whiter. What are your experiences with teeth whitening? Let me know down below in the comments box. I have more beauty content here on my channel. I will let YouTube choose what you can watch next.